Hey, this is Mike with Skinner Screens. Just wanted to show you a little something about wood frame screen porches. We make screen panels to fit into a wood frame screen porch that is ready to accept the screen panel. So a typical wood frame screen porch, this is just an example, is going to have your wood framing, and it's also going to have the wood stops built in already right here all the way around on all four sides. Once this is built in like this, we'll come back and measure the bottom, top, left, and right height, build a screen frame, insert that screen frame, secure it with screws, and then you would come back with your other wood stops and secure that. I hope that makes it a little more clear. If you have any questions, give me a call, 512-863-5145. So this is a picture of the screen porch that we're installing screen panels on today. We're a portion of the way through, screwing the screen panels in. Screen porch project just completed in Cimarron Hills. Mike with Skinner Screens. We're going to be measuring for some screen panels for these triangles up top in this customer's back porch. Kind of wanted to show you the best practices to use when framing up a wood frame screen porch. First thing you want to do is frame up the screen porch, get it as square as possible, and then have them install wood stops. So we want to have wood stops on the outside, wood stops on the inside, and this is so we can secure the frame to the stop and then cover it with the stop on the inside just so it looks good. We need a minimum thickness of at least 1 inch to 1 1/4 inch. Best if the stops are screwed into the wood framing and not key-nailed.